One of my greatest passions in engineering and going in this field is to get kids and the next generation excited about engineering, about technology, to make it look less like magic and more like something they can grasp and understand. We have another joint right here. That's perfect. Awesome, we got all those joints. Good job. One of the products I designed was a small AM receiver that teaches kids about the basics of radio. I used Siemens software to build it. It lets them learn about how communications in aircraft can work by listening to it in real time with something they built, whether it be from a glider, whether it be from the air traffic tower or a big jumbo jet that they could listen to at the airport. It's wondrous to just see kids smiling, pointing to their parents and saying, "Look at what I built." Normally, as engineers, the first prototypes are very crude and rough. My radio was extra crude as there were mangled wires coming out of it, and it really didn't work very well at all. But after the second and third redesigns, working with Siemens software, the radio worked much better. And even just a couple of weeks ago, I finished a new design that almost doubled the range of the radio. As engineers, there is no perfect design, and we're always trying to improve it. Siemens Solid Edge and pads are such phenomenal tools because they connect together so easily and communicate with each other. It really takes a lot of the difficulty out of it, so you can focus more on optimizing designs from a conceptual standpoint rather than struggling with software limitations. It's really quite exhilarating to see a drawing in either pads 3D or Solid Edge, and then to hold it in your hand and see it looks exactly the same. If there's one thing that I would tell children that might be interested in getting into engineering is to not get discouraged by mistakes that are made in design, because we don't see failure as an actual failure. We see it as a learning process to then improve the design and make it greater. I just love to build products to help people, and I just want to continue innovating and bringing technology to the next generations.